Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is going to be an update for the Blast Into Painting project. I'm in a different location because my room is just kind of a disaster over there. I'm actually right in front of the window I usually take my thumbnails in, so that's why I'm like so bright, because I'm like right in front of the window, like it's in the windowsill of my iPad. These are like the little blind strings or whatever. But keep not filming because I've been barely wearing makeup this month because lots of stuff has happened this month, and like probably only worn makeup like 6 times this month, so like yeah, so I haven't been filming that much, and I just keep like going kind of crazy. Today is actually Thanksgiving that I'm filming this, so happy Thanksgiving to all of you who celebrate. Yeah, so I'll just get into the products. So I'll go with the Kylie palette first, which is Mercury, Mars, Venus, and Uranus. I was like, which one is that? So that's this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade, which I actually, where's the camera on this thing? Have pan in the yellow now. I don't even know how, like, I think I used it one time after the update, and then it's like got pan suddenly, and then I'm like, okay. The blue is like, I only used the blue and the gray today in my eye look. It's like blue here, and then a little bit of gray there, and a little bit on the top of those. But yeah, I just haven't been wearing like much anything lately, so I'll insert a picture, and then I'll go into this. What shade is this? This is for Saturn in the B by bubsbeauty BH Cosmetics palette, which is Hopeful, which is this shade. This shade's all over my lid. I'm actually using this, and this on my eyes today. That's these two other purpley ones on the top, because I felt like doing some purple. So I've actually been reaching into this one a lot too. Like having this in a project is making me want to reach into this. Like I've been using this shade a lot because it's just really nice and like subtle, and I can put that on my lid and it just looks like a subtle shimmer, barely anything, and like that's what I've been into lately. For Jupiter, I have this Ives apricot scrub. It is almost empty. I've only used this like a handful of times because I usually use this when I use my one thing where I remove my makeup, and I just only wore makeup like 6 times this month. So, but it's like, let's see if I can. Let me like, I just try to like unscrew it a little bit and try to like do that, but like that's like how much is left, like that much, and this is not that big. This is only like 1 ounce, so it's like pretty small. But that's that. These things are kind of annoying. My cats play with them like all the time. And I have what these few things. Okay. And then for Neptune, I have this Color Workshop Navy Eye Pencil, which I have used twice. Which one of those times is today? I'm just not really using this since I don't really like it because it crumbles on me. But I do, right? But I'm like just using it whatever I think too. So probably won't reach goal on that because my goal was to use it 30-ish times or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, for Earth, I have my lorac gloss, which I've used 14 times. I'm actually not, I don't have it on my lips today because I just didn't feel it. It looks like the same. This window is like so cleared out. I'm about to remove the stopper because I can't get up here and I can't really get down here. So I'm going to remove the stopper and then probably work on the upper part first. And then maybe use a spatula to like scoop this up and put it on like more of the upper sides. But yeah, so like that is such a clear window right there, as you can see. But I can't really... I even tried to put a little bit of like oil in it to try to thin it out a little bit, and it didn't do anything. So like, yeah, it's like super clear in the middle though. So it's like I'm gonna need to remove the stopper, and then I don't know, I think I can still kind of finish it by the end of this project. It will either be finished or really close to being finished. Like, this will only take me 2 months tops probably, but I don't know. Usually when I take the stopper out, it's really messy and it takes a little while longer than what I usually think. So yeah, that's that. Sorry if I keep going super bright because I'm like trying to lean back a little bit. I keep forgetting. And the last item is for Pluto, and that's my lorac Mercier tinted moisturizer. And I used it 6 times. This is basically the thing that I've just used almost every single time I did my makeup because it was just easy, and I knew like this month, with how this month was going, it was just, I wasn't just wear makeup a lot, so I was like, might as well try to reach my goal for this. And then my goal was to use it 5 times, and I thought there was like 10 uses left, but I have actually finished it. Today was the last day. I scraped it pretty clean, so I've used it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Used it 14 times in total in this project, and I probably used it about 5 times before I even put this in this project. So like, yeah, samples like these from Sephora usually last me 15 to 20 times, which they last me forever because I just used like a little bit. But yeah, so this is now empty. I'm not to be rolling anything in because we only have like 1 more month, and it's like, what can I really do in a month, especially with how slow I usually move through things. But yeah, so I have this gone, which is happy. Yeah, I don't know why these samples take me forever, because my sister says she can like run through this in like 5 times, and I'm like, not me. I take like the little amount and then just like put it on. But it is on my face today. Like, I used the last little bit today, and it's like really nice. I've been using it with this brush, which is a Sonia Cassia brush. I got this from my sister, which I think it was in a set originally, but I really like these really dense flat tops. I think they're really nice because I usually just dab dab dab. I've been using a cream brush with this like every single time I've been using it, so it's getting me to use my cream blush that I have, which I only have 1 at this moment, but it looks really nice with my skin. So yeah, I really like it, and I actually like it so much that I kind of want to get a tinted moisturizer now. So I think they discontinued this and then they reformulated it, because I think when I got it like, I don't remember how long ago I got it, at least a year ago. But yeah, so that's all the items. My hair is like really greasy. I'm probably not gonna be wearing this makeup for very long, but hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed your holidays or your Thanksgiving Day or whatever and stuff, and bye.